What do you like, Cosmo? What do you like more than anything else?
Crack?
You like your ho-ho-ho?
Hi, Cosmo. Hi.
Cosmo's polite. Doesn't talk with the mouth.
Yeah.
Mouthful. I don't know. What is it?
The selfie status.
Alex is just standing there. Someone needs to slap him again. What do you like, Cosmo?
Yeah, what do you like, Cosmo? What do you want, Cosmo?
I like...
What do you like, Cosmo? Do you like crack? You want cracker? Want cracker? I like crack.
Is it she?
Yeah.
Creepy Asian dude say it's she. How many more people are we expecting?
This one.
The guy that...
No big deal.
How's it going?
Good.